Okay, our people, for them, okay. Now, just now, Rakesh sir has now sent this broadcasting to YouTube. Okay, so you can test it on YouTube also. Okay, and now your media guys from Garware. Okay, this show is like a drama. Okay, there are actors. And, okay, now just now Rakesh sir has now sent this broadcasting to YouTube. Okay, so you can test it on YouTube also. So this is coming from YouTube. Rakesh sir is showing that this is coming on YouTube. Okay, now, so two steps have happened. Now the first thing of resume. Now Tushar is the only
We are
guy.
live on YouTube.
Yeah, I heard that, Rakesh. That's good. Okay. So, Saket, you have the link for Zoom also. Okay. So you are allowed to come to Zoom because you are a participant. Okay. You are a contributor. Okay. You can be flowing between these two and decide uh, which one to be used. Now, right now, in next half an hour, we need to find. We have 4 interns that, not 4 interns, 4 candidates that were supposed to be interviewed yesterday that have not been interviewed yesterday. So those we can start with. And in the meantime, our HR guys, if they are effective, then they will start searching. Now, I don't know, Tushar has joined here, but he's not talking. He joined YouTube, not YouTube, our Zoom. And तुषार आतापर्यंत 3दा तुला हाका मारल्या तू उत्तर देत नाही तू म्यूट वरती का राहतोयस ओके अनम्यूट युअर सेल्फ सो यू कॅन टॉक
नहीं sir, actually yeah sir, I can't hear you properly, that's why I refreshed my network.
Okay, so Tushar, you can't hear me properly. Why? Rakesh, are you able to hear me? Umesh, are you able to hear me?
Yes sir, loud and clear.
Okay, so now Tushar, is there an internet problem on your side? Where are you?
Sir, I guess there is fault in my network itself.
Are you in the office or are you at home? Tushar, are you at home or are you in the office?
Tushar.
Sir, our office internet will take some time to resume.
Yes,
It shows that wires are broken, but
नहीं, where is he physically?
तुषार आप कहाँ पे हो अभी? ऑफिस में हो कि घर पे हो?
घर पे हो.
Okay. Tushar, where do you live? अरे प्रथमेश, you are the HR guy.
I am
ना?
from Sangli, Maharashtra.
तू
No, Prathamesh is not in the call, I guess.
तुषारला पाठवली का रे? प्रथमेशला पाठवली का रे लिंक? तुषार?
सर तो बाहेर आहे वाटतं, पण लिंक अजून सीन केली नाही.
तू त्याला लिंक पाठवली का? Was my question. Okay.
हो. Yes.
प्रथमेश, तुझ्याकडे लिंक आहे या आताच्या मीटिंगची, राईट? झूमची. ओके, सो जॉइन दॅट मीटिंग. Okay. All right. Now, Tushar, have we placed any ads on LinkedIn or Instagram for internships? Hey, can somebody ask Tushar, because he is not hearing my voice. I don't know whether it's problem from my.
तुषार आप अपने आप को म्यूट से हटाओ, पहले अनम्यूट रहने दो.
Yes.
हाँ.
नहीं, आजू बाजू की आवाज आएगी, खामखा मीटिंग डिस्टर्ब होगी सर.
तो आप उस रूम में चले जाओ ना जिसमें आपको डिस्टरबेंस ना हो, ज्यादा बेटर है.
यही लगा कि-
Now, Umesh, basically what we want to do is to find out who are the people that are available for interview. Ask Kishore to join this. I don't know what is he doing now. Ask him to join here.
He said that he was talking to Shilpa and he's unable to join from phone. He has iPhone, so something is happening there.
No. There's no such thing unable to join from iPhone. Okay. I am going to join from my iPhone.
No, his error was like Safari cannot open the page because of address is invalid. I've sent him the correct address again.
No, he has to download the
Zoom
Zoom
app.
app. Then
Yes, sir. He's on app only. 1 second.
No, he's not on app because I'm
No,
able
he's
to
not
join.
on app. Yeah, it's opening on browser, right? Safari browser, correct.
Yeah. So he should also join. Now, the most important thing. See, I am joined from both the places.
Yes, yes, sir. The whole US uses iPhones. It's okay. So he can drop from phone.
Yeah. So, but the most important part is that this trial should be done beforehand. Okay, it should not stop. All right. So now in here, Rakesh, we had said put advertisements on LinkedIn, Instagram, Internshala, Twitter. What has been done? If they didn't do it yesterday, okay, then it's a loss of a day. Okay. Now, this explanation you heard why Prathamesh cannot join, he's outside. Why the hell is he outside? These are his working hours. Why is he not here? Right?
Yes, sir. And even Tushar has struggled. His internet is not good at home.
Right?
His Zoom
Then
is
he
not
should be.
working properly.
Yeah, then he has to fix that. Okay. But you guys start talking about this thing, Rakesh. You know, you can think of what is to be added. Give me a couple of minutes. I'll come back again. Okay.
give me a couple of minutes. I'm just trying to set up everything here so that this multi-screen casting can happen.
Okay. All right.
Before I can
So,
talk, sometimes.
Yogesh, anybody tries to add, join, you add them, and Umesh get Kishore on call and start talking about what is to be done. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, but you conduct it in the meantime.
योगेश आपने सुना ना योगेश योगेश हेलो योगेश योगेश आवाज आ रही है
जी सिर्फ आपकी आ रही है सर।
योगेश हेलो योगेश
यस सर
ओके ठीक है वो कोई भी ऐड हुआ तो ऐड कर लेना ठीक है ज्वाइन किया तो
ओके सर
ये और ये सेशन लाइव है तो सिर्फ काम की बातें करनी है अपने को
ओके सर
योगेश ऑफिस में हो
हाँ सर
ठीक किशोर है क्या उसको बोल दो अभी से बोल इधर आने के लिए, मतलब मैंने मैसेज किया ऑलरेडी।
ठीक है, ठीक है,
ठीक है, उसको बोल दो एक बार ज्वाइन कर ले।
ठीक है। ओके, ओके।
Hello, sir. Prathamesh is on lobby. Please let him.
तुषार,
Yes,
हेलो।
yes.
ये प्रथमेश से आपको कुछ बात करनी थी ना, जॉब पोस्ट रिलेटेड। आस्क हिम ना, इज देयर ऑन कॉल।
Umesh, you guys are not talking?
I'm talking, people are not responding.
Okay.
As in, I tried.
Usual thing. Get Kishore, so at least two of you can talk.
Yes, sir. He said 1 minute.
किशोर सर 2 मिनट में ज्वाइन करने वाले.
Okay. Kishore.
Yes.
Yeah, hi. So basically, I was trying to talk to Tushar and Prathamesh.
Okay.
So didn't get enough response. So can you just lead that for now so that we can catch up?
I
Basically,
have
Abhi sir
been
has
trying.
added these things, what he has highlighted on the screen, shared screen. He has
Right.
added these points, and then we do not have any interns whom we can talk to today. So and also we checked that there is no, as in Rakesh sir checked, there is no active WordPress job live. We wanted to find out from HR team why
Right.
is that the case. I think Prathamesh is from HR team, right?
Yes, I'm already following with those things, and already I'm following with multiple people, with HR team, including with Rocky and Shilpa Madam, Tushar, Prajnesh, and all. Even
No, Shilpa is
Prajna
not from
too.
Shilpa is not from HR. Okay, only
Not from
Rocky and
HR.
his are from
Uh,
HR. Obviously,
as
Tushar is on call. Prathamesh, I
yeah.
called him, and he has not joined yet.
So
Tushar,
he has joined, not speaking. I see a
I'm
Prathamesh
there,
here.
sir.
listen, Prathamesh, where are you right now?
At home, sir.
You are at home?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. From home, you can participate. I'm also at home, but I'm controlling this thing, so you can do the same thing. Okay. Now, I am showing the script. That is what you people should have understood. So first thing is HR will shortlist the candidates. Now, HR has not done the job. So somewhere you people have failed. Now, let's try to see how we can help you succeed. Okay. Now, the advertisements are on AICT. Do we have any ads on Internshala? First thing is, how many ads are there on AICT right now, Rakesh? Guys, do you know how many ads are there on AICT? Both the guys in HR.
So I think sir, you're talking about Prathamesh and Tushar, right? And you said both
Both,
the
both.
guys.
Yeah, Prathamesh and Tushar. Okay. How many ads are there on AICT? Guys, talk.
So 8
I,
ads are posted. Hello.
how many?
8.
8. Okay.
Abhi
Now,
sir,
first thing is,
since this is internal
Sir,
meeting
actually
going
there
on,
is one in my net.
hello.
yes, yes, Saket.
Yeah, we can at least stop sharing it on YouTube, one thing, or if that creating of new link is not possible, then we can at least mute that thing on YouTube. Every
No, that's
internal
okay.
discussions is
That's okay. It's on YouTube, but we are not published that link to
that's
to
okay.
any to many
That's okay
people
then.
here.
That's
Only
okay.
internal people.
Okay.
There are some people who just should get a feel for what's happening on YouTube.
That's
Okay.
okay then.
And we are discussing how we will do these meetings. Okay.
Okay.
Now, uh, and this is a preparatory planning meeting. It's like, they produce things like making of Lagan or making of Sholay. So
Okay.
this is like
That's
making of CJN. Okay. So I'm
okay.
recording all this. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
very simply, this script is there. Okay. Today I'm creating the third version of the script and I'm adding the things which I'm highlighting. Okay. So, Saket sir, you had suggested that let's talk about results of our previous selection process, right? So, those
Right.
is Kishore on this call?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
So, Kishore, if you are there, have you prepared the list of yesterday's results?
Yes,
Rakesh
sir,
gave
it is there. It's with me.
Rakesh gave 5 of them, and the remaining 2, of which one was supposed to come from Vishal. Do you remember? So let's get Vishal. Kishore, you answer something, yes or no, so that I know you are hearing.
I'm saying yes, I have list.
Okay. So if you are, one person is still remaining, right? Who is that person? Out of the 7 people we spoke to, okay, 5 Rakesh gave report on, okay, and we want our anchor to announce that. That is going to be, um, uh, anchor announces previous results, item number 4, okay. So that is one thing that we do want to do. But in that list, right now, 2 things are missing, okay. Do you know which is the second one? One person we already assigned it to Vishal. We'll get Vishal
Yeah.
on call and ask him for that result, and then you can announce those results, okay? And then uh, uh, we will ask the interviewers to talk about the openings, and interviewers will announce uh, their selections evaluation team detail will team details, team leader, uh, and task assigned. Okay. So this is again a new thing. We had not talked about it earlier. The whole idea is if we have selected whatever 7 people, Rakesh, has he given them any work? Have we created a project team on AICT? Okay. If not, we will do that right now so that rest of the team learns this. Okay. We may make it internal meeting. By the way, Saket sir, have you spoken to any observer?
Yes, I have spoken to. I will share them once we are through with live. I will share them the link.
Wonderful. How many people you have spoken to?
2, one will definitely attend. Sachin.
Sachin. Okay. What about Rahul sir?
Rahul.
Rahul, no?
सचिन तो तुम्हाला भेटायला आला होता. तो एडिटर आहे आणि तो स्वतः
नाही,
फिल्म
नाही.
मेकर पण आहे.
तो जो
त्याला
एक
नाही
प्रोफेसर
पाठवले अजून. राहुल नाही, रोहन म्हणायचं तुम्हाला सर.
रोहन.
रोहनला सर आपण लाईव्ह आलो. कॅन्डिडेट्स आले की मी त्याला लगेच शेअर करतो ते.
ओके. म्हणजे
त्यांनी पण मला एक शेअर केलंय काल. तो रेडिओ वरती हे गेला होता. मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर म्हणून गेला होता. ती पण लिंक त्यांनी शेअर केली.
we can so should we what do we call him, observer, right? So we can when do we announce the observer? After the results, after the interviewer, or right in the beginning?
Right in the beginning.
Okay.
People should know and feel his presence. I think for first 2 minutes we can even introduce and allow him or her to speak. So people will know who is observing our interview today. It should not be a secret.
announce the observer and introduce him.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
So what's the purpose of observer? Is he would be like an employer who's going to offer a job in the future, or is going to give us feedback on the sessions?
Give us the
No,
feedback.
he can be anybody, na? He can be anybody. Say, suppose one observer is from drama, then he can at the end what we call it as debriefing. He can
Mm-hmm.
definitely add more value by guiding the interns to present themselves. If he's from industry, then he can tell industry expert. If he's from, say, banking field, then he can guide them about finance. Observer is like a matured person who is having a name and fame in the industry, who has seen the industry. For example, a person like Milin comes. Uh, Umesh, I don't think so you know Milin, but he was there for that TPO meeting. Or in fact, one TPO comes, then he can guide. It is something like a guide who will
Okay, got it. So kind of a consultant who come in and give us
no
valuable
consultant.
feedback.
No, consultant is altogether a different this thing. He's
Okay.
not a consultant. You can say that he is observer and he uh, जैसे वो डांस के प्रोग्राम में महागुरु होते हैं ना, something like
Hmm.
that.
Hmm. Okay. Thanks.
Okay. So, so we are discussing this, but we are still stuck with HR. Prathamesh and Saket, not Saket, sorry. Who is the
Tushar.
other guy? Tushar. Okay. Prathamesh and Tushar, please feel free to talk. Okay. This is not about the fact that HR is not ready today. It's about what we should do. And whatever difficulties you have, we are here to solve the difficulties. Okay. We wanted to get 10 people. Okay. And we have hundreds of people who apply for jobs. Okay. In our system, there are people like we had advertised for WordPress. And we know that today also we need WordPress people. In fact, Shivaji had asked for WordPress people 10 days ago. And I requested Rocky, advertise for WordPress. Do you guys know that we should advertise for WordPress? Prathamesh and Tushar, you guys must talk. That's the least is expected from you. Okay? HR has failed in doing what they're supposed to do. But if you don't talk, you will never improve. Okay? Whatever help you need, you will be given the help. So talk. Is Tushar on this call? Yes, he's there on the call. Tushar, unmute
Both are there.
yourself.
He
Tushar and
left.
Prathamesh, keep yourself
Tushar,
unmute.
Tushar just left. Pratmesh is there. प्रथमेश आप अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, sir.
हिंदी में खाली बात करो क्या?
हाँ
अभी
सर.
से इतनी देर चिल्ला रहे हो, कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे हो.
नहीं सर, the WordPress ad was not not reported to us that we have to put out the post there. We are not informed about it.
Do
Is
you
there
have
a
the
word?
job description?
What happened?
Do you have the job description for WordPress?
No sir.
अरे भैया, WordPress ad is there. It has expired. So it's there. अब ऐसा करो. Become a presenter, log into AICTA portal and show the WordPress ad.
Yes sir, give me a minute, I will do.
Sir, if I'm not wrong, he is the same Prathamesh who worked with me. He did not have laptop back then. Prathamesh, आपके पास अभी कॉलेज में हो आप? Prathamesh, are you at the college?
Sir, I think you are mistaking me for someone else.
Okay then. Sorry for that. Continue.
Rakesh, please become a presenter and show me the WordPress ad that is there on AICD site.
But Kishore is also not on this call. His phone internet speed is not great. He is not able to stay connected. He sent me the screenshot. And our office internet is down.
That's why I guess Rakesh is not able to talk. But let's
Yes.
see.
With video on, probably it takes a lot of bandwidth.
Now you should be able to hear me. Hold on. You're able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. I was switching between different mics, so that is why you are having problem trying to hear me. Hold on. I have here. Internet is restored in the office now.
Okay, I'll tell Kishore.
Just restored. So now you should see my video clearly, my audio clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now there should be no problem. I'm trying to see if I can switch videos. And get
Prathamesh,
my
unmute yourself, talk. You are at home, right? So why are you keeping yourself on mute?
No, sir. Give me a second. Tushar is having some problem with the meeting. I'm figuring that out. Give me a second.
One second. Putting here. This should be line 1.
Anyway, so Umesh, we are stuck at the first point. There
Yes,
is a Rakesh.
Yeah,
Can you
sir.
ask Kenvi to join and be on this call because she's an anchor? Okay. In fact, Saket, you manage her. Okay. So you get her. You anyway spoke to her just now. So get her on this call.
Okay. Okay.
Just testing something else. I should get my second video in. Hold on.
Look, I have to leave Rakesh at my 9:30 for sure.
Okay. Okay.
That is your 7 p.m. Okay.
Okay.
So after that, you guys will have to continue.
Okay.
According to Kishore, there were 4 people that are ready for it. And is Kenvi in the office or is she at home?
She's at home,
I
I
have
think.
text केनवीला
good.
टेक्स्ट केलंय तिला मगाशी सांगितलं होतं व्हॉट्सअप चालू ठेवायला. मला फक्त एक विचारायचंय, जर केनवीचं नॅरेटर आहे तर ती या झूम मीटिंगचं कंपल्सरी पार्ट हवीच ना, त्याशिवाय कसं येईल का? तिने लॉग इनच केलेलं नाहीये मीटिंग.
तिने अजून
पार्टिसिपंट मध्ये नाही नाव दिसत आहे तिचं.
Saket, you are going to manage Kenvi as a anchor
ओके
right now.
ओके 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 मी तिला करतो कॉन्टॅक्ट.
Right. Get her on the call. And we'll do screen tests for other anchors. Okay. तुमची गरवाऱ्याची जी मुलगी आहे, ask her whether she can be an anchor.
Anybody able to see my camera?
Yes.
In my camera, the PIX.
Yes. Oh, PIX, I don't know.
Yeah. No, in my camera, are you seeing me in a different this thing?
Yes, you are at Meet. You are at
In Google Meet?
Yes.
Okay. Because I'm not able to see that portion. Since Avi sir is the presenter, I've not been able to see that. I was just trying to figure out what it was. Okay.
If I stop sharing,
Can somebody join PIX? I just want
Okay.
to see. And later on, I also want to check if the audio comes there, if the PIX audio comes there.
We'll be
Check.
back in a
Want
minute.
to check. Okay, so I don't think that is coming in as audio. Screen. Share screen. Advance. Second camera. Share.
Rakesh sir, Kishore is coming to your cabin. He is unable to log in from his cabin.
Okay. Right now in the sharing screen, what are you able to see?
I am seeing you looking at the other side, as in Google Meet. Google Meet.
Google Meet is coming there as sharing.
Yes.
Fantastic. I wanted.
So,
I want.
Rakesh, can you send me the link for your YouTube?
Okay, I will send. Give me 1 second. I'll have to log in and send that. Give me 1 minute.
So I will send. I'll send. I will
You-
send, sir. 1 second.
YouTube you have?
How come you have YouTube link?
If you go to CJN now, you will get it from there also, na?
Sir, I am subscribed to CGN, so
You subscribe. You be a subscriber. You'll get the notification.
I have sent you the link. When you go to this channel, the very first video will be the live one. You can see. Avisa, it's on your WhatsApp.
Cjn workflow.
Today,
Why
today
is some
ask for the name today, but otherwise it should have had the name today.
ask this guy also to join our Mukesh Patil. Ask him to join this meeting. We'll ask him to give feedback on yesterday's thing.
Sharing, you are getting my Google Meet, correct? You are able to see the Google Meet?
Yes, sir. Google Meet only.
Okay, good. I just wanted to know that if we can do that. Alka madam in and can we in? योगेश इनको एडमिट करते जाना अंदर.
Yogesh, are you there on the call?
He was there. Yogesh, unmute karo.
Rakesh sir, you are host of this meeting.
I am the host of the meeting. Yes.
Oh, that Kenvi is in the waiting room. Please
I
allow.
have admitted Kenvi,
She's in.
Tanka madam. I have admitted everybody. Yogesh, I am the co-host. I am not the host. Host is Yogesh.
Okay.
He created the thing.
But Yogesh is not answering. Where is he?
योगेश अनम्यूट करके बात करो, अनम्यूट करके रहो, एक जगह हो तो.
Kenvi, what was your problem? You texted me right now that I cannot stay. I won't be able to stay for a long time. What does that mean?
Oh, yeah, sir. So I won't be like able to like stay for a longer time period because in office only yesterday my leg got twisted, so I need to visit hospital as well.
Okay. That I thought you were telling about a technical issue. That I cannot-
Not any technical issue. And yeah, actually there is having like over here, I'm at my place and there is a power cut over here right now. It just happened like few minutes back.
Okay.
Yeah, so both the issues are there.
So who is the alternate anchor? Kishore? Is Kishore with you, Rakesh?
No, Kishore is not with me. He was supposed to come here. That's what Umesh said.
Yes, sir. He called me. He told me he's feeling
So
dizzy and all.
we need another anchor. Who else is available? Is Preeti available?
If the entire show is in English,
Is
please
Shil-
be careful, sir.
Is Shilpa available?
Yes, Shilpa can do that. I will ask Shilpa.
Yeah, ask Shilpa.
For that, I will have to get out of this day and call her.
Yeah, that's okay. And Mukesh will join in 5 minutes. And we should also get this guy to join our Vishal. This guy, Kishore should come on this call.
Sir, I just remembered. Yogesh actually went out to take something for Kishore. Probably Yogesh is not here.
Before going,
Kishore is admitted.
Kishore is
admitted?
joining. Kishore is joining.
Kishore?
He's connecting, sir. He's not connected here.
Umesh, can you be an anchor?
Hello.
I can.
So can you hear me now?
Yeah. Kishore, are you joining from Rakesh's office?
Sir, I think he joined from the conference room. He's not here.
Oh, okay. Kishore, are you going to be able to run this? We are already past our 6 p.m. deadline. Okay. So looks like we won't be able to start at 6 p.m. We'll be able to start at 7 p.m. Kenvi's availability is limited. So we need to get somebody else to be the anchor. We'll get Shilpa.
Vishal, Shilpa in.
Shilpa is in?
Yes, Shilpa is in. Vishal is in.
So, Rakesh, do you need to stay as a presenter?
No, I'm no longer the presenter.
No, PIX. I'm seeing your PIX.
No, I have made my PIX as the camera for this thing. I'm just exploring something.
योगेश एग्जिट करके फिर से लॉग इन करना.
So what I have done is I have made my PIX the camera so that you can see what I'm doing on PIX. I've still got to check out how that audio will come.
Shilpa, I'm going to send you. First thing, let me show you the script. Okay. This is the modified script. Shilpa, unmute
Okay, sir.
yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. Now this script, I'm sending it to you. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
first thing is you need a shortlist. Do you have any shortlist of candidates? Kishore, you said there are 4 people available today. Kishore, are you there?
Yes, sir, I have connected with the Kishore.
No, I know you're connected with Kishore, but Kishore was supposed to be on this call. Is he there on this call?
Yes, I'm here, sir, now.
Okay. If you are here, then don't go out without telling me. Okay.
Please precisely can you explain me what is exactly the meaning?
What is that?
Don't go out. I can understand you exactly.
We are trying to create, execute the script.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to send the script to Shilpa because I'm going to treat her as the anchor right now. Okay. Because Kenvi's availability is limited today. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So Shilpa, I have sent you the link. Not the link, our script. So keep it open with you or print it or whatever. Now HR has given the shortlist. So do we have shortlist? Can you do we have any video may done, Kishore?
No, sir. I haven't received anyone.
You were saying one person is doing the video may. Who was that?
His name is Rishi.
So is it done?
Yeah, I received a Google Drive but unable to download it.
Send that link to me.
Send it to Rakesh.
Yes, sir.
And so Shilpa,
Yes, sir.
so you and Kenvi will have to kind of pass the control. Is Kenvi going to be available for a short while, or your availability is 0? Kishore, is Kenvi available at all?
Yeah, sir, would be available for a short while.
Okay, so do you want to start, Kenvi, so that Shilpa gets the hang of this now? This new thing, you need the new script, right? The AK3 script you need. So I'm going to send it to Shilpa. Shilpa, do you have Kenvi's contact detail?
No, sir, I don't have.
Okay. Umesh, share Kenvi's contact detail.
I'll share with her. I'll share with her.
Okay. Now, Kenvi, I'm going to send you the script. So you start doing this, but you will need people different people to come on call so that we can interview them.
Yes, we have. Right now, we have only Rishi is available, sir.
No. Do you have the list of 4 people that you were talking about?
Yes.
Is that list can that list be given to Kenvi?
Yeah, I can. I'll share it. But from that 4, we only have a 1 person available right now.
No, that is a different issue, and
Okay.
that should be somebody else's problem. The people who got these people connected.
Yes,
okay?
yes. I'm sharing to
their problem. HR people should be on the call. Now, why am I seeing Rakesh Khatri as the name on the screen? I'm seeing different people's name on the top. What do you see as a screen, Rakesh?
Sir, I'm seeing you in the center talking. On top, I'm seeing Kenvi, Avinash, Shilpa, Kishore, Alka, Komal, Prathamesh, Saket, Tushar, Umesh. I'm seeing all of them.
For some reason, I'm seeing only your
Sir,
name.
no one is sharing the screen currently, so the speaker gets highlighted.
Oh, but then
why? Now Umesh is in the center. Umesh gets in the center, others go out. Now you are talking, so your name is coming in there.
I'm not getting I am getting only Rakesh Khatri's name in the center.
Because when Rakesh Khatri speaks, you will get Rakesh Khatri. When Umesh speaks, you will get
No,
Umesh's logo.
No, I don't.
So, sir, that means you have pinned Rakesh, sir. You may have pinned by mistake.
No, 1 minute.
Go to his icon and then unpin if it is pinned.
See, on Zoom. Now,
your video is now on.
My video is on, but I'm not seeing the screen. Why am I not seeing the screen? Okay, now again, Rakesh, in the speaker, I see only, in the center, I see only Rakesh Khatri's name, not me.
That means you have pinned me. That is why.
Now I am seeing myself at the center. Now, Umesh, you start talking.
Yes, sir. Then can you see me now?
No, I don't see you in the center. For some reason,
So you may have pinned Rakesh, sir.
No, I'm seeing myself. Okay.
So, sir, you have pinned yourself. That means you have to unpin yourself.
So now I click on Shilpa. Now I'm seeing Shilpa. Okay, go ahead. So can you start, and wherever you get stuck, ask for help from other people like Kishore if he has some information that you think you should have. I will try to get this guy Vishal on the call. Vishal and Mukesh I will get, because these two people will give some feedback. And Rakesh, you can give feedback on whatever people you spoke to. But can we start it? Vishal, please join the meeting. You are? Okay. All right. Good. Then we will ask you, did you speak to that girl? No, all you are to ask her is what she knows about XML. Okay. So I think she's afraid that there is a technical interview and she might fail. Okay. Make her feel comfortable that this is information gathering and not technical interview. Okay. And then come back. Okay. Yes, back to you, Kenvi.
Yes, sir. So as per the data and script or the name of candidate I have received, the only one person is available. So are we like continuing and starting with them?
Can we announce the program like you do? Talk about the program. You have the script. I send you the whole script. Okay. And we will try to get you more people to talk. Okay. And if not, then the stakeholders, okay, that all of us from the team who are here will talk about whatever thing that our observation on yesterday's show, on today's planning. Okay. So everybody will talk. But you start like you are starting, I'll get you other people also.
Okay. And Komal ma'am would be like, Shilpa ma'am would be taking from like further, she would be leading it.
Yes, after you, whenever you want to sign off, you hand it off to Shilpa. Okay?
Okay, so, no problem.
Yeah, you start the script. Shilpa, you have the script. And Kenvi did this yesterday nicely, and today she will give you a start. Go ahead, Kenvi.
So, should I start?
Yeah, start. And Saket, you manage the flow, you manage the process. I'm going to focus on getting other people. All right? Saket, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Saket, sir, are you there?
I am there. I will manage that.
You manage it. Okay.
Can we? Always remember
Yes, sir.
2, 3 things before going live. Count 3 or
Okay.
4 in your mind. Okay. Since this is a practice show, but when you are going live, count 3 to 4 in your mind and then you can start. And
Okay.
always remember one thing, that people don't expect you to start immediately with the subject. Firstly, introduce
Okay.
company, introduce purpose of the show, because what we are
Okay.
talking is about the show, not about the Zoom meeting. Forget the
Okay.
media. That that means is it conducted on Zoom or any other platform? Consider that you are going on a satellite channel.
Okay.
Okay. So you can greet them, you can say good morning, good evening, whatever you want to say. Then you can
Okay.
tell them uh, about the company. You can introduce company. Then you can tell about yesterday's experience, or going forward, it will be a past experience that we are conducting such kind of events on this frequency. Then how this
Okay.
event is useful for students. You can tell that and then start the actual event. Okay.
Okay. And sir, as per you guided and you gave the input, like you want me to disclose the winners, or maybe, sorry, not the winners, but the interns which we hired yesterday. So for
Right.
that,
That is
we are,
part of your show. Uh, Usually, do you see any news channel?
yeah, I do.
Which one?
ABP.
That's good. Then learn from that anchor. Consider yourself in that place. You are sitting in a studio interviewing hundreds of persons at a time. Okay.
Okay, but I was just asking that we are having like a incomplete discussion. So I just asked you that whatever details I had and I shared it with you. So like, is this the accurate one, or
Yes,
because
yes,
I,
you have to do that. You have to do that. These are scripted details. Some things, sometimes things will come to you unscripted. That also you will have to include.
got your point, sir? But my point is like, as per the
Yes, you have to
text of
include that.
the,
That five interns selected by Rakesh sir, 2 interns about whom you don't know anything, but take their names and start the show with that.
okay,
Is
fine,
it clear
no
now?
problem. Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, then you can start the show.
Just a second.
Rakesh, Mukesh is waiting in the waiting room. Please admit him.
Please check if Rishi is in the meeting.
Can we remember one thing? Anchor is always a face of the organization and controller of the event.
Okay.
Okay, there are two type of what you can say uh, human power or human resources go in making of the show. Some sit behind camera. They are also very important.
Okay.
But face of the show is also very important. And when you go live, you are controller of the show.
Okay. So should I start, or I should wait for a few more
Yes, you have
seconds?
to start. You are a controller of the show. You have to start on time. Everything will fall
Okay.
in place after that. The Kenvi has gone live, so everybody will start doing their work.
Okay, fine. Sure. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Myself, Kenvi, Sangvi, the host, and the digital marketing intern who is working for Cjn. Welcome, everyone, to Cjn. So, after seeing your immense support yesterday, we are here again to get a positive response from our audience and to start the day two show for the same. But before moving forward, I would just like to thank the yesterday's candidate and the selected interns as well. Ritesh Maurya, Mandar Mangesh Umrachkar, Amrita, Archit Yadav, Dhyaneshwar, and even the Tejeshwar Reddy, Akansha. Everyone was a great participant we had. The selected one, congratulations for them. And without further ado, just starting with it. In this, basically, we are providing platform to students for enhancing their skills and gain experience in their favorable domain by providing them internships, as we are hiring people for multiple domains, and there with both work from home and even the hybrid model we are available at. So without any further, let's get started with the show. Before that, let me introduce our CEO, Mr. Avinash Kulkarni, sir, and the CTO, Mr. Rakesh Khatri, the HR, Rocky sir, and even the operational manager, Mr. Kishore sir. And the first candidate we are having for today is.
Since it's a practice show. You are too fast.
Okay.
Too fast. Say suppose a passerby is just scrolling the YouTube and lands on our channel, and he's going to listen to us just for the sake of time pass. Okay.
Okay.
Then also he should be able to understand.
Okay.
That's why please see news channels, their news delivery, their speed. You are too fast. I was not able to gather first sentence, and second sentence was overpowering on me.
Okay.
Okay. And
Can
what
we
you
just
are right now
keep
doing
a
is
pause?
reading out. You are
Sorry,
reading
Shilpa
out
ma'am,
from
I was not
something.
able to. Okay.
Yeah, you
Sir,
can
please
read,
check
that
if
is not an issue, but it should not look like you are reading something.
Okay, fine.
Yes, go ahead,
Shilpa
please.
ma'am was saying. Shilpa ma'am was trying to say something. I just missed that.
sir, please
No,
check if
can
Rishi
we?
is in between.
No, can we? You can continue.
Okay, just a second.
Hello, please
Kishore
check if
or
Rishi is in the
Kinvi,
meeting room.
if you have the list of yesterday, that guy, Tejeshwar Reddy, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Do you have his number? If you have his number, can you put it in the chat?
Yes, sir. I have the.
Apparently,
Just going to share with you.
Rakesh, he spoke to you and he was supposed to go to Mukesh, but he never went to Mukesh. Rakesh sir, are you there?
Sir, I had asked him that get himself registered on Startup World, ensure that his credentials are created on Startup World by talking to HR, either to Rocky sir or to Tushar. Get himself first registered so that he can be assigned the team leader Mukesh, and then he can move there.
I see. Now see the whole.
That's the whole
idea.
procedure that I wanted to set. So everybody was told that please have your self registered with Startup World. First step is that get yourself oriented, and then your team leader will be there. I am there as a mentor to guide you through the process.
Okay. So what we wanted to do, want to do was to have Mukesh talk to him. So if we can give his number, do you have his number?
Yes, I have all the 7 candidates numbers.
Rocky is traveling, he doesn't have.
No,
Either
I have
Kenvi
those numbers.
or Kishore will have the number.
Yeah,
He's
I
going to put it in the chat right now.
have.
Okay.
I'm sharing it.
We will put it in the chat. You take it from there. You talk to him, and then you come back on this Zoom meeting and give us a feedback on your interview with him. Okay. We believe that he can do embedded programming. Okay. And same assignment I have given to Vishal to talk to Amruta. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Rishi is in the waiting lobby. Can someone admit him in the meeting?
Please पाठवलंय तुला हे.
Hold on, let me check.
Yeah, sir. He's waiting in the lobby.
I don't see anybody in the waiting room.
Sir, he just said that he is in the waiting room. I'm talking with him on the WhatsApp.
Send him the link again. So make sure that he's in the right waiting room.
Okay, sir.
We'll be waiting for Kenvi, Kishore. What are we waiting for? Shilpa?
I
Don't.
have shared the Tejeshwar Reddy phone number in
I
the chat.
understand. So that is done. So, Mukesh, you should take that number, call him, and then come back and give us the feedback. In the meantime, Rakesh sir, you can give the feedback on your interviews yesterday. And if Kenvi is out, then Shilpa, you can take over. No, Kenvi is there on the call.
No, sir. No, sir. She's going to the hospital.
No, but I see her name on this.
I don't know, but she just texted me, sir. I need to go for a hospital.
Okay, but she should log out, no?
I think
She log out, that's fine. And she should hand over to Shilpa. We had told her to hand over to Shilpa when she is ready to leave.
yeah.
Sir, I am shifting to YouTube to see how it is looking over there.
No, there's nothing happening there right now. Just stay here for a minute. Because
Okay.
Shilpa, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. So, Kishore, hand it off to Shilpa. If Kenvi is out, hand it off to Shilpa.
No problem, sir. Can we might go? I can continue the session. I think she was having some power
No,
cut
I
issue
understand.
and
Officially, Kishore should hand off to you. And then, actually, Kenvi should have handed off to you. So that you know what is the next step. Okay, do you have the script in front of you? Shilpa, do you have the script in front of you?
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I have shared with Shilpa, sir. I have shared the script.
No, I had shared it. That's not the problem. The thing is, I want to make sure that does she have it in front of her? Because then she has to know the next step. What have we covered so far? Okay. Can we have a commercial here at this point, Saket?
No, we can have that. Technically, it is possible, but the show is not yet started. It should be at a peak
So
point of the
whosoever is
show.
the sponsor of the show, should it not
Hmm.
be told at the beginning of the show, before the show starts?
It will come as a text, L-band or a text.
Today's show is brought to you by this.
Yes, that will
Okay.
come as a L-band or a
And a
superimposition.
word from our sponsor.
Right.
Okay. So who has that right now? Who can play it?
Rakesh sir, you are having one advertisement. You can play that.
I will do that.
Send you 4 more.
Not yesterday's. Sakir, is that yesterday's or a different advertisement?
It is yesterday's only.
No, he sent me a new one.
Okay, I will send.
I have a video mein that this guy had sent.
Right. So first play the advertisement, then play the video.
Okay, I'll wait for.
Rakesh sir, I will have to get out of this call and send you the advertisements on your WhatsApp.
Send it over.
And don't forget to re-admit me.
Yeah, don't worry. I am now on that PC where I'm admitting people also.
Yeah. Thank you.
Shilpa, you have to continue the show. You are the person, presenter right now, okay? You are the presenter. So make sure that you do something.
Yes, but I'm waiting for the student whom I need to call upon.
So what will you say? Whenever there is a technical difficulty, the presenters will come and say, please wait, Rakesh Khatri sir will soon be
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll
We'll announce about the sponsor. See, all these things are going to happen in real life. All such problems are going to come up. Okay. Right now, we have different people on this call. Vishal, are you back? Did you speak to this girl about your XML?
Hello.
Yes, Vishal.
Yes, sir. I had a conversation with her. Sir, she has never worked on any Android project, and she has no knowledge about XML. She only have knowledge about HTML and CSS. She have never even installed Android Studio.
Vishal, make yourself presenter and turn on your video.
Yeah, sure. Sure, sir.
No, Kishore, you did that. That's good. You stay on. Vishal, you also come on.
Okay, sir.
Okay. No, Kishore, you can also continue and take Shilpa's help for conducting this thing.
Yeah.
Whatever people that we can get and talk to. If you can't get new interns, Komal, probably people from your team can come in, present what they are doing, okay? Whatever question that they have, what do they understand about CJN? The CJN workflow that I had sent you, on which I think Mudid had prepared that. We can talk about that, okay? And even if we experimented once, like Vishal, ideally this girl would have come on this platform and would have been sent to you on your Google Meet for interviewing. Vishal, you become a presenter just so that you get the feel for coming and presenting the result. If you need time, then I'll request Rakesh Khatri sir to present his side first. Do you need time?
Sure, sir. Let Rakesh sir first present.
Okay, give me a couple of seconds more because I just have received from Saket sir the image videos. I'm just sequencing them. Give me a
That's
second.
fine. That's fine. So, Prathamesh and Tushar, okay? One by one become presenter. Your job was the most important job of shortlisting the candidates, okay? So, what were the difficulties that you had? You talk about it, and we'll try to give you solutions. Go ahead, Prathamesh, you start first.
Yes, sir. So the main problem was, sir, the candidates.
Turn your video on. Turn your video on.
Okay.
So it makes a tremendous difference now that Kishore is on. You know, Prathamesh, turn your video on.
Yes, sir.
Tushar, can you do that?
Sir, actually, my system has no camera.
This is no camera. Okay. Tushar, this whole show is about the importance of video. Okay. So make sure that you get a camera. Okay. Hi, Prathamesh. Great. Good to see you. And I'm glad that you are here on this call. So since you are the starting point, okay, on AICTE portal, we literally have 500, maybe 1,000 people who have applied at different times. Okay. Some of the ads are not currently active. So new resumes you will not get. But the old resumes are there. Okay. And whenever Rakesh is ready, I'll have him show that also. But you guys have seen it. Okay. And from those, if we send invitations to people saying, look, we have this platform to allocate you internships, we'll also get, if you know any of the TPOs, we'll get additional candidates from the TPO side also. Okay. So first tell me what you did, what difficulties you had. You can't hear you. You're mute. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. So the main, as being said about the candidates, that we post jobs descriptions and internships on the AICT portal. We are not getting enough candidates for the same. And if we are talking about the past ones, we have contacted them, but out of them,
You don't say we have contacted. You have called them.
No,
You
no,
have
sir.
tried to contact them.
No, sir. So give me a second to explain it. We have contacted them, but they have not replied. So that is
No, that is not contacted.
No, sir.
We have
That is a
called them.
response, no.
We have called them. We are not contacting them. We have called them, but we are not able to contact them. You have not talked to them because they are not picked up the phone. There is a difference between contacted them and we have tried to contact them. Okay?
But that is a response, right?
No, it's not. They did not pick up the phone. It's a different thing. So we have to figure out different alternative methods of getting to them. And I'm going to give you some methods. I'm going to give you some solution of how to get to them. Okay? So first thing is, we know the college they're coming from. So we should try to talk to the TPO in that college. Okay? We should explain to them that we have advertised on AICTE portal. These people have applied, but you are not able to get hold of them. Even though they applied, they are not attending the call that you make. Do they have any suggestion? Can they help us? Okay? That is one thing. Second thing is, even if you get one person from that college, then we have to use that person as a conduit or as a contact to get to other people.
Yes.
So we did that at Delhi College, and we asked some people saying, hey, will you be our campus ambassador? Will you help us getting in touch with the other students in your college?
Yes, sir.
And they said yes. Okay. So that these are the two things that we will try. Third thing is, sending them email invitations. Okay, saying, please come to this meeting. Okay, or call me on this number so that we can help you get the right internship. Okay. Fourth thing is keep repeating the ads. Especially looks like Komal, there is no ad for a testing intern. There is no ad for a programming intern right now. Okay. They expired maybe 3 months ago, 6 months ago. We have never repeated those. Like the WordPress ad. There are 4 people who had applied for the WordPress ad. We don't know what happened on those 4 people. Will you be able to tell us, Prathamesh? These 4 people that had applied, have we spoken to them? Not tried calling them. Have we spoken to 4 people?
No, sir. That time I was not active with the internship.
Okay. So now it should not matter what time you are active or not, because
No,
we have all the data in the system. So if you look at that process, you should be able to say, who are the people that we spoke to? Who are the people that we assigned or we selected for interview? Or who are the people we interviewed? And whether they said yes or no. All this data of our historical communication with these people should be available to us either in the AICD system or in our startup world system. Okay. So, Tushar, do you understand what I'm saying about the open requirement? Rakesh sir, whenever you
Yes,
are
sir,
ready,
yes.
you tell me. So, till Rakesh sir becomes available, Shilpa, we are going to talk to our recruiters because they are the starting point.
ज्यांच्या जीवनाचा भाग असण्याचा आम्हालाही आहे सार्थ अभिमान अशी महाराष्ट्राची आन बान शान असणाऱ्या या सर्व भूमिपुत्रांना जीके एनर्जीचा मानाचा सलाम आपल्या मातीसाठी ज्यांच्या
Rakesh sir.
Hold on, Master. Looks like my audio is not coming through. The advertisement audio is not coming through.
Advertisement audio is coming through. Okay.
It was coming through. Okay, I was not able to hear the audio.
What I'm saying to you is first announce what you are doing and then do it.
Okay. Because I have to switch juggling between mics. I have not been able to say that. Okay.
So, Kishore, that is why it's very, very important to try these things out. Okay.
Sure.
Now, I am doing something that should happen between your 12 noon to 5 p.m. Okay. And now we are repeating that here, doing this practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I'm recording this for a reason so that you can also get a feel for what is it that we need to do.
Yeah.
So this flow, the script, okay, right from the starting point, is our anchor going to be available today? If she is not going to be available, plan an alternate anchor beforehand. Okay. The new anchor should understand exactly whatever is to be done. HR guys, if they are not able to get candidates, that's simply because they don't know that these ads have been there for last 1 year and people have applied. There are applications from December, January, February, at least a couple of 100 applicants. Okay. No, they called and the people didn't take pick up the call. That doesn't mean that the person is not interested. It only means we are not able to talk to them. Now, different methods of sending them text messages, WhatsApp messages, emails. These are all the things that we need to do, going through their TPOs, going through their friends. Okay?
Yes.
These have to be done.
Let me run through the ads now. Okay, I'm switching over to the
I'm going to hand over to sir. Prathamesh, if you want, you can close your video.
That's okay. Mine will take preference on that.
Okay.
When
Then
I
go ahead,
start
Rakesh.
saying that.
Continue. Back to you, Rakesh sir.
ज्यांच्या जीवनाचा भाग असण्याचा आम्हालाही आहे सार्थ अभिमान अशी महाराष्ट्राची आन बान शान असणाऱ्या या सर्व भूमिपुत्रांना जीके एनर्जीचा मानाचा सलाम आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतला सोलार पंप GK सोलार पंप कुसुम योजनेत महाराष्ट्रभर सर्वात जास्त सोलार पंप बसवलेली आणि गेल्या 1.5 दशकापासून ग्राहकांना तत्पर सेवा देणारी आपल्या महाराष्ट्राची कंपनी म्हणजे GK एनर्जी. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतील सोलार पंप. GK सोलार पंप याचा जोरदार फोर्स कमी वेळात जास्त पाणी देतो आणि गेल्या 1.5 दशकापासून ग्राहकांना तत्पर सेवा देणारी आपल्या महाराष्ट्राची कंपनी म्हणजे GK एनर्जी. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतील सोलार पंप. GK सोलार पंप घर बसल्या पंप चालू बंद करण्याची सुविधा तुम्हाला मोबाईलवर मिळते. गेल्या 1.5 दशकापासून ग्राहकांना तत्पर सेवा देणारी आपल्या महाराष्ट्राची कंपनी म्हणजे GK एनर्जी. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतील सोलार पंप.
Now, Kishore, you as a director
Yes, sir.
should have planned this, that, okay, honestly, Shilpa, maybe Saket sir, one day you should do a presentation yourself, because all these people, whether Shilpa or Kenvi, they're all relatively new to this space. So, if you
Okay,
can,
that will do.
well, like what should have happened was an announcement saying, now a word from our sponsors. Now Rakesh plays the sponsor. Now again Shilpa comes back to Shilpa or whoever is the controller and says that, okay, now we'll start the show. And first we are going to present Video May. Video May is a video resume. And Rakesh sir will present the video resume of who is the person?
I don't have the name of the person, but this is
Shilpa.
the...
No, but Shilpa, you should be talking. These are our cues for you. When I'm pausing, is meant for you to talk. Okay? And Shilpa doesn't talk, Kishore, then you are the backup. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So,
who is the person?
Whose video CV was this?
Kishore, the question is for you.
Whose video CV was this that you sent it to me?
It is Rishi.
So we have to say that this is a resume of Rishi, video resume of Rishi. And then what I will do is I will play the video resume of...
I have mentioned you on the link, sir.
No, that's not the point. Right now, when he's asking whose resume it is, answer it.
Sector 150.
Okay.
And currently, I am pursuing my graduation in Bachelor's of Computer Application from Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University. And I have completed my schooling from Shyama Prasad Vidyalaya, New Delhi. And my skills are I am proficient in programming language like Python, HTML, CSS, and SQL. And I have a strong understanding of data science concept and techniques, which include data preprocessing, data visualization, and statistical analysis. I have experience working with MySQL database, and I am familiar with the AWS cloud storage also. I have a knowledge of machine learning algorithm and techniques, which is used for predictive models and pattern recognition. And other than that, I have done some certification courses also, which is Introduction to Data Science by Cisco, and one is Data Analysis using Python by IBM. And my technical skills are the SQL, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, machine learning, DevOps, cloud computing, and data preprocessing, data cleaning, data visualization, etc. And my soft skills are I can effectively communicate with the other person. I can work with the team environment also, and I have the capability of team leader also, and I'm a good in time management. And other than that, I've done some projects during my college time, which is one is COVID-19 data analysis, in which I have analyzed COVID data to identify high risk state, vaccinated states, and trying to find some patterns and trends and try to visualize them in different forms like graph and charts, etc. And one is car price prediction model, in which I have developed a web app which predicts the used car price by using features like fuel type and the kilometers driven by that car. And I've used ML algorithms and techniques in this app to make the car price prediction. And other than that, if I have to summarize myself, then I am a detail-oriented and analytical individual with a strong foundation in data cleaning and transformation of proficient in SQL, Python, machine learning. And I want to do my internship which suits my skills, and I can utilize my skills for the betterment of the organization. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal, for your inputs.
Rakesh sir, I have shared you some more video resumes.
Now, 1 minute. After this guy's video resume, now we should, if he's available, we should interview him, right?
Yeah, he's already available. He tried reaching out. Rishi is also inside the room, but I don't know. He already updated that, sir, I'm already inside the room, but no one is.
Sir, I am in the meeting.
Yeah, he's inside the room, sir. Rishi, just let me quickly brief you. Please turn on your camera and just unmute yourself. Rishi, turn on your camera and unmute yourself. Good. So Rishi, let me introduce our team. It's Cjn, and with us we have our CEO, who is Kulkarni, Avinash Kulkarni, and also we have a CTO, which is Rakesh Khatri, and I'm from the operations management, and media manager we have a Saket sir. So currently we are taking some interviews, the people who are interested in doing internship and the people who are going to be looking for a good career going forward for the life and everything, right? So we got your profile from the our HR team. Okay, so as you already we got your resume just now. Even you saw your resume. So first thing, just tell me one quick thing. How do you feel about by seeing yourself in this video?
Sorry, sir, what you said in last?
How did you feel by seeing this your live video resume by yourself?
I have seen quite a few times also before sending it to your team. So now it's normal, but at previous times, at first when I see the video, so I feel nervous, quite nervous.
That's fine.
But now I'm normal.
That's really good. So you said which domain you want to go with?
I want to continue with the data analysis.
Data analyst. So have you done any previous experience in any internships or only data analyst you have? Your
No,
first internship.
This is my first experience of any internship. I haven't done any internship, but I've done some projects which includes the skill of data analysis.
Okay. So where you belongs to?
I belong from Noida.
Noida. Okay. So what is your next move? I mean, what is your stats for future education and what? Want to go for higher studies or you want to go for next level after your education? You want to go for anything masters or what?
Currently, I'm just focused on searching for internship in my field, especially, and I have time to decide for my higher studies. So I haven't decided yet, but I will surely decide in near future. And there is possibility of doing MC also. So I will.
Good, good. So why you choose data analyst? Why you want to go with data analyst?
I mean,
What brings you to do data analyst, and what do you know about data analyst?
Okay. So during my college times, I have studied data science. I have many subjects, but in data science, I quite feel interested, and I have done some projects also in data science. So I think I am suitable for this field, and I have a quite strong knowledge about this. So yeah, that's the reason I'm.
Rishi, sorry to interrupt you.
No.
Your video was good. Saket, you can comment on whether the length of the video should be less or more. But now from here, Kishore, he should be moving on to the breakout room. Okay.
Right. There are 2-3 points in your resume. First point is length is too much.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Because
Okay.
I have to sign out. I have to get on the road. But I will join back again. But what I wanted to say was, Rakesh, you should be interviewing Rishi in the breakout room and then assign him a particular task. Okay. And the team should have a team leader. You, of course, are the mentor. And then you guys can come back and present us the result of that final interview. Okay. And Saket, you had talked about making it like a news, breaking news kind of thing. So all those things we can try. Rakesh sir, are you there?
Right.
I am there. If I leave, then there is no control on this meeting. I'll not be able to control anything on this meeting.
No. Why is Yogesh is there on this meeting, no? Yogesh? Kishore, is Yogesh there?
No, sir. He is not here. He's sitting next to the other room.
Yeah, but he's supposed to be on this call. Did you send him outside?
No, I haven't sent him. I asked him to sit in the other room because there is an echo problem when we are sitting.
That's fine. But then he should unmute himself and he should talk, because when Rakesh gets off this meeting, Rakesh has to get off to interview Rishi. Okay?
Sure.
Or I will have to talk to Rishi on JRS. Then Rakesh can stay here. Rakesh, can you put the link to JRS on the chat? And Rishi, you connect to that link. You will come to my meeting, JRS. I will admit you, and I will talk to you, and then both of us will come back here. Okay? Rakesh, you do that.
In a minute, I will do that. I'm just downloading the other video.
Yogesh is there, sir. Yogesh is back.
Then Yogesh, do not get off this call till this meeting is over. Yogesh, can you hear me? Unmute yourself. Umesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make sure that this process is managed. Okay. Because if Rakesh gets off to interview Rishi, then Yogesh will have to manage this meeting. But make sure that Yogesh stays on this meeting. Yogesh, are you there?
Sir, he is facing some mic issue. He's saying hi. He's saying yes, I am here.
Nee, Kishore, this all has to be pre-planned. Okay.
Yes.
This should not happen like this.
Yeah.
But I will. So Rishi, let's go to other meeting. In fact, Rakesh is not. I'm going to send you. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I will. One minute, Mukesh. Okay. Okay, Rishi, I just put in the chat a meeting ID. Do you see that?
Yes, sir, I can see that.
Okay, click on that. So you will come to that meeting. I will interview you there. And then later on, we'll both come back here. Okay?
Okay.
All right. You can go there. I'll wait for me for a couple of minutes. I'll join there. You can click on that link. Now, just guys, 1 minute. Mukesh Patil is coming back to me. Mukesh, were you able to talk to the other candidate? Tejeshwar? Bola ka Tejeshwar? Okay. Then join back to the Zoom meet. Okay?
I did admit him in the Zoom meeting.
Huh?
I did admit him here. He's there on the Zoom meeting.
Who is that?
Mukesh.
Okay, great. So Mukesh, make yourself presenter and you tell us about your interview with this guy and what do you feel, can he help you and so on. And then
Yes.
we can invite him also to join this meeting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
So
first, become a
yes.
presenter. Turn your video on.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. I'm not able to hear Mukesh. What's the story? Mukesh?
Just a minute, sir.
Okay. Now I'm able to hear you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Mukesh, go ahead. Give us your report on the interview.
Okay, sir. So I took his interview. So he has knowledge about VLSI and Ethernet, like that. So I have asked him that do you have done any project on embedded system? So he told me that I have done one automation project and that. But he is based in Bangalore, and then I asked him to, can you come to Pune for internship?
No. Forget about coming to Pune. The whole
Okay.
idea is people will work remotely wherever
Mhm.
they are. Okay.
Okay,
How
sir.
to do that? That's a different problem. But we are
Okay.
going to have global teams. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, do you think he can do part of the embedded programming?
Yes, sir, he can, but he will need some time. So he has to learn C programming and some microcontrollers.
So take him into your team. Okay.
Okay.
And it's not C programming. It's not just even embedded.
Hmm.
I think he knew Python, right?
Yes, sir. He also knew Python.
So then he can do Alexa programming.
Yes, sir.
That he can do from wherever he is. So
Yes, sir.
why don't you invite him here?
Okay,
Okay.
I will invite him.
So officially he becomes part of your team.
Okay.
Okay. You and Purva being
Yes,
the
sir.
team leaders. Okay.
Yes.
And then uh, you explain to him the use
Okay.
of Alexa as a companion product. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So I'm going to sign off from here, and I'm going to leave it to you to get him.
Okay.
And Kishore, so now this is the new thing that we tried today.
Yes, sir.
Was from the breakout room, come back, take
Yeah.
the interview, officially assign him a project. Now we are going to assign him a task. So his task, Mukesh, will be to understand how he can use Alexa to give various prompts
Okay.
and to add the audio to your smart pill box. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right? So
Sure,
get
sir.
him here, conclude that, congratulate him, and make sure. Has he registered in Startup World? Did you ask him?
Yeah, I think Tushar has helped him already by joining in.
So he's in Startup World?
Yes.
If he's in Startup World, Mukesh, then have you created a team in Startup World with one of you as a team leader and this guy is a team member? If you have not done that, do that. Maybe Tushar can help you.
Okay.
Tushar, do you know how to do that?
No, actually, team creation, I haven't done it yet.
You have not done it. Prathamesh, have you done that?
No, sir, neither me.
Okay. Now, Umesh, are you there? Umesh, please unmute yourself. Okay, Kishore, I'm signing out, but make sure that either you or Umesh,
Yeah.
learn creating teams, creating team leader, putting people in the team.
Yeah.
That has to happen. Only then the person is really an intern. All right?
Okay. Sure, sir.
Invite that guy and then you continue talking. I'm going to be out of this. I will join after my interview with Rishi is over. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sure.
You guys continue.
Okay, sir. Hello, Kishore, sir. I am inviting him.
Sorry?
I am inviting him. Ready.
Okay,
The guy.
please.
Oh.
Yeah, please. Rakesh, sir.
Yeah.
I have already shared you a couple of links. So in meanwhile, can we add some ad?
I'll play Tejaswi Reddy's video में till Tejaswi comes in.
Done, sir.
I'll play Tejaswi's video till he comes in.
Sure, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is T. Cjn Reddy. Actually, I am from Kadapa. Basically, I am staying in Guntur. I am pursuing final year BTech in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from RVR and JC College of Engineering. My core skills are Python and C programming. My strengths are adaptability, time management, and positive attitude. My weakness are overthinking. My short-term goal is to place in a reputed company like TCS Wipro, and my long-term goal is to expertise in cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things. My hobbies are playing badminton, following daily news, enjoying nature. In my family, we are four: me, my father, mother, and my brother. Uh, that's all about me. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you.
That was about Reddy. He's still not coming. So moment he comes in, we'll put him in. In the meantime, who is the next person who is supposed to come into the interview?
We have only one today, sir, because people are not turned out due to some, they're not connecting actually. The phone numbers is not getting connected. Tushar, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Tushar, can you please explain me what are the things you have done, how to try to reach the people? And
Hello, I can't hear you properly, sir.
so you told me that there are 4 people. From 4, 2 were not attended the calls. So other one is Rishi. And who is the other person?
Sir, other person was his name was Sachin Rajbar.
Right.
Yeah, and he is not available to now.
Okay, so for today he is not available, or he is not available for the internship?
He is not available for the interview now.
Okay, then. Okay. So do you have any other candidates who can join now?
No, not really. Actually, searched through all our data. I just found out these 4 candidates. 3 of them are unavailable. Just actually one was available. That was Rishi.
So when you're talking, you can turn on your camera for a moment.
No, sir. Actually, my system has no camera.
Okay, that's fine, no problem. So Rakesh sir, we don't have any other candidates to join now.
Okay, so then what we'll do is we'll play the other video mails that are there.
Okay.
So those can be played back, saying these were the ones that were interviewed yesterday.
Yes, sir.
You can continue talking. I will have them played one by one.
Just give me a quick second.
So we'll have the resumes being played.
As we done with yesterday, our first pilot video yesterday, the live Zoom meeting and interview room.
Yeah.
We have 7 people. Dinesh, okay, we got Tejeshwar Reddy. Right, Tejeshwar Reddy, right?
Yeah.
Yes, come on, Tejeshwar. Myself is Kishore, and I'm the operations manager. I think yesterday we had a conversation, right? I think you joined in the meeting, right?
Yeah.
So just wanted to quickly ask you one quick question. How do you feel? Can you please give a feedback about yourself, about the yesterday's interview? How you felt, and how was the interview?
Yeah, from my side, he asked about what are the before projects, what you are done, what are your experiences in the domains. So he asked about those things, and I explained what are the projects I involved and what the things I have done in that. So like that, it was went yesterday.
So how do you feel about this interview, video Zoom interview and all? What do you felt? Because
it was somewhat good because we can lively interact with on video and audio. So it's good actually. So the interviewer can interact very easily through Zoom meeting, video and audio there. No? So it's good, I think.
So Rakesh sir, you wanna talk to this Tejeshwar Reddy?
I have spoken to him yesterday. Okay,
Yeah.
So Reddy, have you registered on Startup World? Were you able to register yourself?
Yeah, already registered in Startup
Very
World.
good. Very good. So now what we will do is you also met Mukesh, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. By the time you learn the other things, you are good at Python, correct?
I am good at Verilog and system Verilog, and also some basics I have at Python.
So what we will do is we'll begin with Alexa, okay, the Alexa component of the embedded portion. So with the help of Mukesh, we'll assign you the task wherein on the smart pillbox, the audio communication with Alexa and the prompt engineering, we'll begin with that till you learn the programming bit of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your task will be to work with Mukesh and ensure that you work on the prompt management for Alexa for the smart pillbox.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ensure that you all both communicate with each other,
Yes,
and you both exchange your phone numbers. You
Yes,
both
sir.
have your numbers, and ensure that the task is registered in Startup World. That he's going to work on the Alexa prompts for the smart bill box.
Smart box.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you, Reddy, again, and welcome
Yeah.
to.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Reddy, Tejashwar,
Yeah.
just to be a very quick note, okay, before leaving. Every day, remember one thing, he'll be your team mentor, okay? He'll be like auditing you and he'll supporting you with your work and everything. But end of the day, before leaving and joining, I mean, after working, you'll be added into the WhatsApp group and everything will be very done. It will be done very soon. Okay. And the second point is when you log in and what kind of work you are doing every day, you need to update to your senior and the operations manager. Okay.
Yeah, man.
So that you need to ensure that you will be sending your daily report to your senior manager. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You're never going to miss this. This week.
Yeah.
They should be properly function. Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome to Cjn DPS.
Yeah. Thank you.
Since we have no more interview scheduled today,
Yes.
we will play the video maze of
Yesterday's.
Yeah, we'll play resumes for Amrita.
Yeah, Amruta, Tejeshwar Reddy, and Mandar, Archit, and Gnaneshwar.
Gnaneshwar. Okay. So we will go by that sequence.
Yes, sir.
And we'll probably replay all of them. All the 7, we will replay the video maze.
Okay.
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 I will ensure that all of them are there. So you should now get
Hello, my name is Amrita Jagdale. I am resident of Alibag. I am currently pursuing a Master of Computer Application in MIT World Peace University. I have got 7.02 CGPA in my 3rd semester MCA. I have done BSc Computer Science from Mumbai University and I have got 4.62 CGPA. I have passed HSC from JSM College and I have got 66.17%. I have passed SSC with 89.33%. Sketching and listening music are my hobbies, and I also love traveling whenever I get a long vacation. I have done a diploma in core Python programming from Expert Websoft, which is owned by Nadkarni sir. My long-term goal is to become a web developer. Thank you.
Hi, myself Naneshwar Vaikar. I'm studying in 3rd year computer department from JSPM Wagholi campus, and I apply for the internship in cloud domain. I have basic knowledge of Java, and my hobbies are playing cricket, traveling, and watching movies.
My name is Archit Yadav. I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I'm currently pursuing Bachelor of Computer Application from Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University. My CGPA was 9 CGPA in second year of Bachelor of Computer Applications, and I have done my schooling from Meerut BNG International School with 91% marks in class 12 and 86.6% marks in class 10. If I talk about my skills, then I have learned programming languages like C, C++, Python, data science with Python, artificial intelligence, and machine learning with Python. Also, I have learned web development, HTML, PHP, CSS. I have also used version control system like GitHub. Also, IDEs, integrated development environments like Anaconda Framework, Jupyter Notebooks, and Google Collaboratory. I am fluent in speaking Hindi as well as English. If I talk about my projects, then I have done color detection using Python as my one project. Another is shopping website deploying on Nginx server, and another website deploying on IBM Cloud. I have also learned cloud computing technologies. Also, my areas of interest include listening to music, traveling, and reading novels.
Hello, I am Mandar Mangesh Mungaraskar. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from SKN Seward College of Engineering, Pandharpur. I have done 12th and 10th from Pandharpur. In 12th, I have scored 73.38 percentage, and in 10th, I have scored 84.60 percentage. Speaking about my projects, I have done two projects in AI/ML domain. One of the project is a text sentiment analysis project, which involves analyzing the text data, which is very helpful in market research and customer review feedbacks. Another project is OpenCV face recognition attendance system, which uses face recognition library and computer vision library to recognize the face and mark the attendance according to it. Coming to my technical skills, I have also hands-on experience in AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, creating EC2 instances and attaching EBS elastic block storages to it. And beyond my academic pursuits, speaking about my hobbies, I have cleared five level exams of Indian classical music in subject of harmonium. And my hobby is listening Indian classical music and playing harmonium. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Akanksha Vadame. I am from Nizampur, Dhule. I have completed my bachelor degree BSc Computer Science from Cjn College. I belong to nuclear family, and my strengths are I'm self-motivated person. I have communication skills, and my short-term goal get a job in software company, and long-term goal to get good positions like yours, where I can build my career and help the organization too. And I like to learn new things. And my educational background is BSc Computer Science, 63%, KTHM College, Nasik, and 12 percentage is 55%, Jain Junior College, Dhule, and 10 percentage is 85%, and this and complete the projects is a grocery app and gas agency management system. Gas management and complete the courses full stack developer, board infinity, and digital marketing.
Hello, my name is Rishi Pandey and I am 20 years old. I live in Noida, Sector 150, and currently I am pursuing my graduation in Bachelor's of Computer Application from Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University, and I have completed my schooling from Shyama Prasad Vidyalaya, New Delhi. And my skills are I am proficient in programming language like Python, HTML, CSS, and SQL. And I have a strong understanding of data science concept and techniques, which include data preprocessing, data visualization, and statistical analysis. I have experience working with MySQL database, and I am familiar with the AWS cloud storage also. I have a knowledge of machine learning algorithm and techniques which is used for predictive models and pattern recognition. And other than that, I have done some certification courses also, which is Introduction to Data Science by Cisco, and one is Data Analysis using Python by IBM. And my technical skills are the SQL, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, machine learning, DevOps, cloud computing, and data preprocessing, data cleaning, data visualization, etc. And my soft skills are I can effectively communicate with the other person. I can work with the team environment also, and I have the capability of team leader also, and I'm a good in time management. And other than that, I've done some projects during my college time, which is one is COVID-19 data analysis, in which I have analyzed COVID data to identify high risk state, vaccinated states, and trying to find some patterns and trends and try to visualize them in different forms like graph and charts, etc. And one is car price prediction model, in which I have developed a web app which predicts the used car price by using features like fuel type and the kilometers driven by that car. And I've used ML algorithms and techniques in this app to make the car price prediction. And other than that, if I have to summarize myself, then I'm a detail oriented and analytical individual with a strong foundation in data cleaning and transformation of proficient in SQL, Python, machine learning. And I want to do my internship which suits my skills, and I can utilize my skills for the betterment of the organization. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. My name is Cjn For Reddy. Actually, I am from Kadapa. Basically, I am staying in Guntur. I am pursuing final year BTech in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from RVR and JC College of Engineering. My core skills are Python and C programming. My strengths are adaptability, time management, and positive attitude. My weakness are overthinking. My short-term goal is to place in a reputed company like TCS Wipro, and my long-term goal is to expertise in cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things. My hobbies are playing badminton, following daily news, enjoying nature. In my family, we are four: me, my father, mother, and my brother. Uh, that's all about me. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you.
Now, why is it shown in Rakesh's window? What is happening, Rakesh? What are you trying here?
We just
all
viewed
the resumes that were there, all the 7
video
resumes that were received, I played one after the other. All the 7 video mails were played.
Oh, I see. You had 7 video mails?
Yeah, that is what
those are yesterday's, sir.
Yesterday's video mails that Kishore sent in. So I played Amrita's video, Jnaneshwar's video, Archit's video, Mandar's video, Akanksha's video, Rishi's video, and Reddy's video.
These videos were done as a video may exercise, or was it done as a part of the Cjn and recorded separately?
No, video may exercise is what I believe I got them as.
Okay, wonderful. So we will do something different on the video resume, Rakesh. We'll try to see how we can create a fashion parade kind of things where we will have employers log in, okay, or people like us logging in, seeing this thing, and then the interaction should be that we listen to the video may and we say, yes, I'm interested in this guy, okay, or I'm going to pass on this guy, okay.
Correct.
And then how do we connect it and all that stuff? That will be a different type of show. We'll talk about that separately. Now, right now, this guy was supposed
Rishi is back on. Rishi is back on. I've just admitted Rishi in here.
Okay, wonderful. So, I interviewed Rishi. Rishi, please present yourself, unmute yourself, and put the video on. Okay. Now, when Rishi comes on, Rakesh, I think he should do data analysis for Cjn. Okay. And I told him that you will be the guide, but I made another interesting arrangement with him that he will be one of the weekend warriors. So I will get a time to talk to him even on a Sunday.
Okay.
Rishi, please unmute yourself, Rishi, and show your camera. Rishi, we can't hear you.
He is unable to unmute, sir.
Why? Why is unable to unmute? No reason. Why
Uh,
is he
Is
saying?
unable to unmute. Probably we can ask him to leave and join back.
Has disabled.
Host has disabled.
No, if host is disabled, then we'll have to enable it.
No, host has not disabled anything.
Disable unmuting. I don't think there is such an option.
No, sir, we can.
Unmute. Disable
we
can.
We can mute anyone, sir, but we can't unmute.
Yeah, you can't unmute anybody because that is the invasion of privacy. Okay.
Yes.
Umesh,
Rakesh, you have to solve that problem.
Yeah. Right now I'm here. I'm just waiting for him to come back so then I can check whether it is a problem on the host side. Because there's nothing on the host side that says it is blocking. Rishi is waiting the admitting. I'm admitting him again. I've admitted him.
Hi, great Rishi. Can you hear us? Are again went on mute.
Yes, sir.
Hi. Okay, great. So congratulations, Rishi. So not only that, Rishi is going to join our Cjn project itself as a data analyst. He has done some very interesting projects, Rakesh, where he has worked with some NGOs on a different project, not a data analyst project, but some other project. And you can talk to him separately.
Okay.
But Rishi can help us in essentially deciding what data to collect on Cjn usage, and then how to analyze that data, and then how to present that data.
Okay.
He will be working Saturday, Sunday. I mean, he'll be working 6 days. The day he will be taking off will be Tuesday.
Okay.
Rishi, what do you understand about CJN? Just tell in your own words. And Rakesh, there was a guy named Tanzil whom we had made team leader. So I'm going to talk to him and see if he's still available and if he has capacity to take on somebody in his team. Then he can guide Rishi. Otherwise, we'll create a new person. Okay. Alka, you're audible here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So go ahead, Rishi. So welcome to the team. He's already part of Startup World, Rakesh. But we have to get in the habit of creating teams and adding him to teams. Okay.
Okay.
So looks like your HR guys are not there on this call. Is anybody from this call?
No, I don't think anybody is there now.
So we have to figure out on what to do. But go ahead, Rishi. You can talk about your understanding of CJN for a couple of minutes, and then we'll let you go.
So I know that Cjn is a startup which is wants to work with the interns to develop several projects which they are working on, and they have various categories to work with. I mean, apart from data analysis, they have more various roles to work, and I mean, not so much I know about decision.
What kind of data will you collect?
So I have to collect the data, like you said that I have to collect the data, like the who is interviewing the person, and the person is passed or reject, and if there is anything like assessment, so what's the score of the assessment, and if the interviewer is passed or not. This type of data I have to collect, and then I have to report and analyze the data on this topic.
So do me a favor, prepare a document saying where will you get the data from. Okay, just to give you a hint, some data will come from Zoom, some data will come from Google. Okay,
yes.
Some data will come from some questionnaire that we create. Okay, and have a conversation with Rakesh sir and whoever becomes your team leader. HR people hopefully will guide you on this. Rakesh and Kishore sir, you have to make sure that HR people engage with this properly. All right?
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations again. And you can hang up now. You can
Thank
sign
you.
off. Vishal Gupta, आपका जो
Yes, sir.
you were talking, you were saying this person is really not capable of XML, which means she can't really work with the Android team.
Sir, the positive thing is that she is ready to, learn about XML, but she is not yet. She have no idea about how XML works or anything about that.
So, how much time you think it will take her to learn? Couple of
If she
weeks?
knows about HTML and CSS, then it will take hardly a week for her to start from XML.
Okay, so why don't you take her in your team? You know, like remember last week you had helped me interview another guy.
Dheeraj, yes, sir.
Dheeraj, okay. So you talk to her and we'll put her in your team, XML Android team, and
Aniket Verma is in.
Okay. Hey, Aniket, yesterday Rocky said you interviewed somebody for XML. Is it true?
No, sir. She was for HTML.
Okay. So, but you did talk to her.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because surprisingly, she didn't mention that. Because I was asking her, I said, did you talk to Aniket? And she didn't know. So today I had Vishal talk to her, and Vishal also confirmed that she doesn't know XML, but she's ready to learn. So
Yeah, her name was Akanksha, I think, sir.
Amruta.
Amruta. Her name is Amruta.
There may be two different people. Whom did you talk to, Aniket?
Akanksha, sir. Akanksha. She was Akanksha.
Okay, then it's two different people. Kishore, what is the story?
Sir, the person right now who is talking to is Akanksha, and Amruta. She did not spoke to anyone because by the time you were in another meeting, and Rocky
No,
was.
Vishal spoke to Amruta just now, right?
Yeah,
You
right.
So Vishal spoke to Amruta. Then there are two people with the similar. Both of them know only HTML.
No, sir. One is Amrita only requested for HTML. The other person is. Just give me a quick second. Archit. Sorry.
In the meantime, till you are searching for this thing, I will have a word from the sponsors.
Okay,
Sure.
great.
Yeah, sir. Her name is
ज्यांच्या जीवनाचा भाग असण्याचा आम्हालाही आहे सार्थ अभिमान अशी महाराष्ट्राची आन बान शान असणाऱ्या या सर्व भूमिपुत्रांना जीके एनर्जीचा मानाचा सलाम. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतला सोलार पंप. ज्यांच्या जीवनाचा भाग असण्याचा आम्हालाही आहे सार्थ अभिमान अशी महाराष्ट्राची आन बान शान असणाऱ्या या सर्व भूमिपुत्रांना जीके एनर्जीचा मानाचा सलाम. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतला सोलार पंप. ज्यांच्या जीवनाचा भाग असण्याचा आम्हालाही आहे सार्थ अभिमान अशी महाराष्ट्राची आन बान शान असणाऱ्या या सर्व भूमिपुत्रांना GK एनर्जीचा मानाचा सलाम. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतला सोलार पंप. ज्यांच्या जीवनाचा भाग असण्याचा आम्हालाही आहे सार्थ अभिमान अशी महाराष्ट्राची आन बान शान असणाऱ्या या सर्व भूमिपुत्रांना GK एनर्जीचा मानाचा सलाम. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतला सोलार पंप. ज्यांच्या जीवनाचा भाग असण्याचा आम्हालाही आहे सार्थ अभिमान अशी महाराष्ट्राची आन बान शान असणाऱ्या या सर्व भूमिपुत्रांना GK एनर्जीचा मानाचा सलाम. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतला सोलार पंप. ज्यांच्या जीवनाचा भाग असण्याचा आम्हालाही आहे सार्थ अभिमान अशी महाराष्ट्राची आन बान शान असणाऱ्या या सर्व भूमिपुत्रांना GK एनर्जीचा मानाचा सलाम. आपल्या मातीसाठी आपल्या मातीतला सोलार.
Rakesh?
I think it went into some loop. I don't know. It went into a loop. I will check that what happened.
Okay.
It went into
Now, we have only one commercial?
4 commercials of one person only. One company only, 4 commercials.
Only one company. Now
From one company, 4 commercials is what Saket sir had sent.
We should get from Saket multiple different. There has to be a variety in the thing.
Yeah.
In the beginning, right?
I'll try and get some more from him, and I'll try and compose and be ready with the ad sequence and this thing. So.
And between you and Kishore, can you guys create our own commercials for our own products? Because we have our internships, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
Right now we are going by candidate, but we can go position by position and talk about our openings, right?
Correct.
So that those also can be made as commercials. Okay. Now we are not, I mean, there are a lot of people. First thing is we are not placing ads. If we are place ads saying we want testers, I'm sure 25 people will apply. And then they can be sent to Komal for interview. Okay. And Komal, if let's say 10 people come to you, can you have multiple interviewers from your side?
Yes, sir, I can arrange that. I will tell to my interns to give interview.
So now today some of the things that we should have done was to plan how many interview rooms, what are the links for the interview rooms, the QR codes for those interview rooms. HR people were not even available, even though that was their working hours. And now also they have signed out without, at least they didn't talk to me. Did they take permission from you, Kishore?
Sir.
Both HR people?
Yeah. I already spoke to Tushar and other guy. So by tomorrow they are trying to do something.
No, that is different. But they should have stayed till the end.
Okay. Tushar already texted me that he's having some family work, so he's traveling with his dad. But I don't know with the other guy. I don't have his contact number or something.
Who? Prathamesh?
Yeah, Prathamesh. I don't know his contact number, but Tushar has texted me.
So as a part of the preparation from Rocky, get these people's family number, okay? But it was good that Yogesh today you stayed there, but you have to, Rakesh, make sure that he understands his role completely.
I will teach him all these things to ensure that he keeps adding the people, because otherwise I have to add people. I have to switch between videos. Right now I'm controlling 3 PCs to try to see if the ad gets going in there.
Okay, so you need somebody for, Yogesh should be able to play the ads, should be able to admit people, okay?
No, keeping a tab on those things, multitasking, we'll have to see how Yogesh will be able to do that.
Okay. Now, Saket also signed off, and so we started late, so we finished late, and some of the people have signed out. But let's
should we stop the recording and the transmission?
You can stop the recording. Yes, you can stop the recording.
And the transmission also I should stop?
Transmission also you should stop. Now, Komal, how many people are, Rakesh, you will know now how many people were there any other people on YouTube?
On YouTube, I did not see people there.
We have only 3 people.
I have tried using YouTube couple of times myself. Now, Rakesh, when I put it on pause and when I join back again, it doesn't align itself, is it?
It doesn't align means?
Huh?
It doesn't align means?
That means when I started something, it was, I think Yash was talking. Then I put on pause. And then when I came back and again joined, you were playing the commercial. Okay. But I could not see the commercial. I was still seeing some old recording.
I don't know.
So what happens when you put on pause?
No, there's nothing like pause. Pause, okay. On YouTube, you put it as pause. Okay, okay. So your pointer remains there, but when you go back and come back, it is again live. So you just play back from there, then it will continue from there.
From live, right? From the current thing.
So there are 2 things in YouTube. When you play and pause, it would continue from the current position, or it will just move you straight to the last position.
It did not move me to the last position. So I just
It stayed there and it continued to play. So
Right.
total we had about 21 views on our this thing today.
Okay. All right, good. So at least we are getting some data. Now,
So
I think-
I'm stopping the recording right now.
yeah, just stop the recording. Aniket, you saw this for the first time, right? Aniket and Vishal?
No, sir. Yesterday I was also on YouTube. I joined through the YouTube yesterday.
YouTube, but not on Zoom, right?
Yes, sir. Not on Zoom.
Okay.
The Zoom will end when we the YouTube will end when we end the meeting.
Yes.
Acha. So right now it is going on YouTube. You can't
It is
stop
going
it.
on to YouTube right now.
You can't stop it.
Hold on, I'll try to stop it from YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, I stopped it from YouTube.